Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy options on Webull. Options allow you to leverage positions, hedge, or speculate with with smaller capital. So make sure that your account is approved for options trading. So yeah, anyway, the first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you have this enabled. And after you've enabled that, you will just have to go to your account and then go to approval and fill out the questionnaire and wait for the approval, of course. And then after that, you will just have to choose stock or ETF and then search for asset in the ticker search bar and click options. And then you will just have to select option type. So for call, buy it if you expect price increase. For put, buy if you expect price decrease. And yeah, anyway, after that, of course, you do have to pick expiry and strike price. You will select expiration date and then choose the strike price and then check premium cost. And then you will enter the number of contracts and select your order type and click buy and then confirm. And after all that, you will just have to track your option, adjust or sell before expiry, and then profit or loss realized. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.